The power vested in me as the presiding officer of this 39th regular session, I call this session to order. Let us all stand for an opening prayer to be led by Honorable Hililio and remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Sa ngalan naman ni Naki, pati ng Espiritu Santo. O Diyos na mabuot asin mahirakon sa aga na ini, rinarani po ang sa amo na buhay para sa imo, nan sa muyang mga obligasyon sa aga na ini, sa muyang magibuhulikan sa imong tabang. Kaguranan, padagos mo kami kaguranan, natabangan kan sa muyang namang kaluyahan, asin lugod magamit niya mo, bilang kakusugan sa pagsirbi sa banwaan sambulan. Kaguranan, pirmi may inaayo sa imo ang pagkasararo na hali sa imong kahadian, na lugod magrainar ang pagmakulog niya mo sa samuya na sinasakupan. Tabangi kami kaguranan. Asin lugod ang sa imong pagkamo at mabatian niya mo sa adlaw asin sa oras-oras. Dahil mo man lugod paglingawan na kuguson kami sa samuya na mga kaluyahan. Salamat sa imo, lugod ang sa imong banal na espiritu sa aga na ini, maon maghadi, huli tama nagtutukdo sa samuya na kaisipan asin puso. Salamat kaguranan, inuumaw mi ikaw asin tinataas mo na buhay sa nga ni Jesucristo na samuyang kaguranan, Ama asin Aki pati Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging, etos na sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang pinilang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisikin, sa nagataktutok sa simoy at sa langit kong bagaw, ay hinatang tulang awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang lang makawan ko'y tagumpay na nagkinilig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang hindi magkinilig, lumagang araw ng walhatit pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo, ang hindi kaya dapat ay mag-api, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance for the 39th regular session dated April 13, 2026. Honorable Cheska May B. Robles.
Present.
Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga. Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr.
Present.
Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas. Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola. Honorable Geoffrey O. Wasur. Honorable Vincent Tihao.
Present.
Honorable Unita G. Guelas.
Present po.
Honorable Recto G. Valeriano.
Present.
Honorable Rodel G. Helilio.
Present.
And Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
The chair declares quorum. Let's proceed to the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous sessions.
We have 3 minutes, Your Honor. On the first minute is the regular session dated April 6, 2026. Minutes of the 38th regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 6th day of April 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, new legislative building, this municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga, Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas, Honorable Geoffrey O. Wasur, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola, Honorable Vincent Tihao, Honorable Unita G. Guelas, Honorable Recto G. Valeriano, Honorable Rodel G. Helilio, and Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Absent none. The regular session was called to order at 9:23 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The invocation was led by Councilor Rodel Hililio, followed by the playing of the Pambansang Awit on audio recorder. The presiding officer requested the secretary to the Sangguniang to call the roll. The
Madam
presiding
Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
since that everybody we have a previous minute of meeting, I move for approval.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Hililio, the minutes of the regular session dated April 6, 2026 is approved and adopted.
The second minutes, Your Honor, is the minutes of a special session of the 19th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 7th day of April 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building, this municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas, Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola, Honorable Vincent T. Hao, Honorable Recto G. Valeriano, Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Absent were Honorable Danny A. Corsiga, Honorable Unita G. Guelas, and Honorable Rodel G. Helilio. The special session was called to order at 3:21 in the afternoon. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. Councilor Recto Valeriano said the prayer, followed by the singing of the Pambansang Awit and audio recording. The presiding officer requested the acting secretary to the Sangguniang to call the roll. The presiding officer declared a quorum. While the acting secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated
Excuse
April
me,
6.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, the reading consideration of the minutes of the session, minutes of the special session dated April 7, 2026. I move for the approval.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, minutes of the special session dated April 7, 2026 is approved and adopted.
The third minutes of the Your Honor refers to the minutes of a special session of the 19th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 8th day of April 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building, this municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas, Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola, Honorable Vincent T. Hao, Honorable Unita G. Guelas, Honorable Recto G. Valeriano, Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola, and Honorable Rodel G. Helilio. Absent was Honorable Danny A. Corsiga. The special session was called to order at 11:34 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. Councilor Rodel Hililio said the prayer and followed by the singing of the Pambansang Awit on audio recording. The presiding officer requested the acting secretary to the Sangguniang to call the roll. The presiding officer declared a quorum. While the acting secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated April 6, 2026, Councilor Vincent Hao moved for the suspension of the reading of the minutes, seconded by Councilor Geoffrey Asur. Councilor Vincent Hao also moved for the suspension of the reading of the minutes of the special session dated April 7, seconded by Councilor Recto Valeriano. Question are none. Business for the day. Number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-160, resolution
Madam Chair.
adopting.
Honorable Valeriano.
Our previous minutes of the special session dated April 8, 2026. Move for approval.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Azur, minutes of the special session dated April 8, 2026 is approved and adopted.
We have no question, or Your Honor. May we proceed with the first reading and referrals of measures
Please
or
proceed.
communication. For item number 1, we have proposed appropriation ordinance number 03-2026, realignment number 002-2026 from MOOE, Internet Subscription Expenses, to MOOE, Telephone Expenses in the amount of 30,000 pesos of the Office of the Municipal Agriculturist, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026-180 2026 SK Annual Budget o Palali for 309,818 pesos and 29 centavos. And Calpi for 343,132 pesos and 30 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 3 is proposed resolution number 2026179, 2026 Barangay Realignment Budget of Danao for 100,000 pesos and Roque for 500,000 pesos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026178, resolution adopting and strictly implementing the provisions of the ILG Memorandum Circular number 2026-011 regarding the prohibition on the use of government vehicles during Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays except for official functions or duties. Introduced by Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr.
Honorable De Castro.
Madam Chair, allowed gihapon na pwede i-approve sa first reading and referral.
Masuspend sa House rules.
Masuspend and House Rules.
Madam Chair, with the permission of the body, ini po na proposed resolution, naglabas po kaya explain ko na lang tabi para if ever i-request ko for approval under suspended rules. Ini po, an explanation sini, during some meeting with Mayor, naka-encounter si Mayor sin saro nato ang top load and flatbed nato na nag-strict na si Mayor sin paggamit sa mga heavy equipment na other government vehicles. So, marang may naka-observe sa to na nagkato sa 13 na wara sin permission from the executive. Kay ininihimo ni Mayor niyan intitipid an konsumo. So sa mga unnecessary travel in babawalan niya. So at least initabi, nagluwas man ang DILG memo na during Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays, ilimit ang paggamit sa mga government vehicle para nga ma-address in a fuel crisis. So once, although implementable, pero syempre ibabaga pag ina-adapt sa Sangguniang Bayan at si Mayor, may na siya sin kumbaga armas na pwede niya gamiton sa pagsita and pag-disapprove sin mga request based sa DILG memo. So with the permission of the body, I would like this I would move this proposed resolution number 2026-178 to be approved on its first and second reading.
Second
Under
the motion,
suspended
Madam
rules.
Chair.
Second. Any objection? Hearing none. In motion of Honorable De Castro, seconded by Honorable Corsiga, Honorable J.R. Gordola, Honorable Valeriano, and Honorable Yini Taguelas, proposed resolution number 2026178 is approved on first and second reading.
Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026177, resolution supporting and adopting the implementation of the Palenque QRPH Plus program by the Bangko Sentral of ng Pilipinas and the Department of Interior and Local Government in the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. Introduced by Councilor John Rainier Gordola.
May counterpart din eh.
Pura. Di pa naman.
Ah? I-refer na lang.
Refer na lang po, Madam Chair.
This item, agriculture.
Ways and Means.
This item is referred to the Committee on Ways and Means.
Receive na.
Ama.
Ano yun, ang pagbakal na gamitan ng
QR.
QR or
Okay.
mobile money. Yan ba yan, guys?
Ini-search yun, yung padala mo sa ako.
Opo.
Hindi ko pa kayo nabasa. Hina-receive na kayo sa ako.
San ma-participate sila ng BSPDD sa ato. Pag nagpagahoy po kamo. Item number 6, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2026176. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Cotton City Marketing Corporation for the supply and delivery of 2 units brand new garbage compactor truck used for solid waste management program in the total amount of 5,990,000 pesos only through competitive bidding under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to 20% development fund under solid waste management program. Introduced by Councilor John Reynor Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026175, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Cotton City Marketing Corporation for the supply and delivery of school supplies used for 7K Kadunungan program in the total amount of 6,949,246 pesos through competitive bidding under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to the general fund. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 8, proposed resolution number 2026174, resolution urging the local chief executive to consider the reallocation of certain infrastructure project as support to fuel subsidy to drivers and transport workers, farmers, fisher folks, and other vulnerable sectors who depend heavily on fuel for production amid rising petroleum prices. Introduced by Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr.
Honorable De Castro.
Madam Chair, explain ko man tabi gihapon ini. During tabi gihapon sa meeting with the mayor sa to na Friday, nakondak nato. An ayuda tabi from the province, as mentioned ni Mayor, kulang sin allocation. So, ang pagkabati ko dito, gusto ni Mayor dagdagan. So, ini po na resolution, sentiment ini or pagpaabot man sin message sa executive na an SB ma-support in any manner na gusto sa Mayor maghatag ayuda sa intero tabi na tinamaan sa fuel crisis and ina-allow in a way na gahatag kita sentiment or opinion na ina-allow nato na pwede niya palitan ang mga infrastructure projects. Kung may memod siya na infrastructure projects na diri pa man necessary, then i-allocate niya to ayuda. So, pagpaimod lang po yun sa Sangguniang Bayan, na willing man kita soon if ever mag-request an executive. So, again, with the permission of the body, I move for this resolution number 2026-174 to be approved on first and second reading under suspended rules.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable De Castro, seconded by Honorable Azur, proposed resolution number 2026174 is approved on first and second reading.
Item number 3, Your Honor, is proposed. Item number 9, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2026173, resolution requesting Honorable Municipal Mayor Romeo A. Gordola to provide funding for the granting of ayuda to fisher folks and farmers of the municipality of Bulan amid the continuing fuel crisis. Introduced by Councilor Renz Alarguelas.
Honorable Alarguelas.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and good morning po. Okay, similar po sa, halos similar man lang po ini tabi, Madam Chair, sa resolution na inpasa ni Councilor Dondon na in-request po ang local chief executive na mag-provide po, if possible, sin funding for the ayuda po sa iba po na sectors, vulnerable sectors po sa bungto po nato dito sa Bulan. Kasi po, since ang mga para-tricycle po nato are expecting the second wave of ayuda this time, in-expect po na makakuha po sa cash assistance which is funded by share po sa local government unit, LGU Bulan, and the province. So, kung po pwede po sana na kung may maimbud na pondo, since we already adopted po the declaration of the state of calamity because of this fuel crisis. So, siguro, pwede man po nato matagan sin attention. Anyway, ang intention po ni Mayor yun man, since yato po baga kita sa meeting, last Friday, na we will make sure na maabutan po ini ng mga iba pa na sector other than transport sector. So I hope po with any po sentiment man lang, just a simple request na mariparo po ang iba po na sector sa ato po, iba po na vulnerable sector sa ato po locality. Yun man lang po, Madam Chair. So I don't think this needs to be referred to a proper committee. So I move, Madam Chair, that this resolution be approved on the first and second reading under
Second
suspended
na motion,
rules.
Madam Chair.
Any objection?
Madam Chair.
Honorable Corsiga.
Honorable Alerguelas, hapot lang tabi kung may nakabutang po ba sa resolution kung diin maghahalian pondo. Wala po.
Wara po. It's a discretion
General
po.
sentiment lang.
General sentiment na po, and it's the discretion of the mayor kung din po i-charge and fund in case po na may mahanap.
Okay.
Madam Chair.
Maybe we can suggest po sa local chief executive the same thing po na hinimo ni Cap Jojo sa Barangay Zone 2 and paggamit san kay mayon po baga kita na ban niyan for official travel for official. So base pwede po nato mahimo sa pondo sa munisipyo magamit na lang sa ayuda.
Apo, yes po. Madam Chair, on that note po, citing po ito na move po sa Barangay Zone 2, similar po sa hinimo po sa local government sa Naga City under Mayor Lenny Robredo, realign po sila sin budget, parang nag-sacrifice sila certain programs, particularly and nagkapera po na infra projects para po i-allocate sa assistance po sa mga nagkapera na sector para po makapag-aatag sin assistance. So, mao man na po yun. Similar po sa objective po sa resolution ni Councilor Dondon. Anyway, it's all upon the discretion of the mayor. Kung may makuha po kita na pondo, sana makahanap po kita.
Madam Chair.
Honorable De Castro.
Asan nag-special session kita, nag-declare na po kita state of calamity, and under that, or nag-adapt kita sa declaration of state of calamity sa province. So, dahil po sa to, ina-allow na nato ang executive na pwede na niya i-utilize ang QRF sa calamity fund. So, pwede na ito sa saro na pwedeng possible resources kung pupunduhan ni Mayor na maghatag ayuda sa different sectors. Even ang barangay, pwede na siguro na i-adapt din niya to na para makiwan na sa barangay ang QRF manera for financial assistance with regards sa affected na sectors in a fuel crisis.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Valeriano din. Honorable Azur.
Through my information, Madam Chair, hali po sa BIFAR, from National, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, may unsin ihatag ang National BIFAR sa Department of Agriculture 3,000 pesos sa mga fisher folks. And
Registered fisher folks.
National
Hali sa
na po,
national.
oo. So, maaramat na po tabi yun kung i-provide na sa national government sa Manila area, mababa na sa mga region and municipality. Ang mga paraisda lang po tabi, intended na makaabil sin 3,000 pesos. I do not know, Madam Chair, if kaupod an sector san para uma. So, okay man po tabi ini na resolution. Nag-aabang na kita kung in case may hatag ang national, why not na
An
the
LGU
local government unit mag-provide man sin additional na ayuda para sa mga paraisda. Yun lang tabi, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, magayunon ini na sa sentiment sa duwa nato na konsehal, si Konsehal Arlen, Konsehal Dondon, na pinasan ninda sa niyan na diri lang kita mag-focus na maghatag sin mga ayuda sa mga para-tricycle. Bagkos i-centralize nato, na isabay nato ang mga mananlain na sektor. Kay kung ano nato ang province, naman sinda sin resolution regarding for the community pantry na inadapt po nato dito sa LGU. So, kaya dito na nakaagi na pinagristoryahan nato sa emergency meeting, nakasentro yato na sa mga para-tricycle na mga para-padyak. So, tama-tama man, hinimo na resolution sa duwa. So, ano po ako sine? Second motion po ako sine.
Okay.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
in addition, halimbawa, the manifestation of Honorable Attorney Danding Corsiga, si Kap Jojo, nag-provide man siya budget sa Sonto na ang mga travel ninda is canceled, dito niya inatag sa mga paraisda through the efforts of Barangay Captain Jojo. So, suportado pa ako na resolution ni Consul Aler as part of the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries.
Okay. There's a pending motion by Honorable Alerguelas and it was duly seconded by Honorable Azur. The proposed resolution number 2026-173 is approved. First and
Madam
second
Chair,
reading. Honorable Guelas.
all OSB member na lang po na.
Okay.
So,
Noted.
Sino pa nagsabi? Item number 10, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2026-164, submitted MDC resolution number 07 series of 2026 entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan Additional Programs, Projects, and Activities for Inclusion in the Annual Investment Program for 2026 for their adoption and approval, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you. Please refer this proposed resolution number 2026-164 to the proper committee. Absent pa na po ako sa ni.
Sa ima na lang.
Apo.
This item is referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 11 is proposed resolution number 2026-158, resolution granting renewal of accreditation to the Loyolites TODA with office address at Barangay Zone 8, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asu.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
The item number 11 under the first reading and repairs of measure of communication. The proposed resolution number 2026-158. So, resolution granting renewal of the accreditation of Loyolites TODA. So, Madam Chair, is considered as renewal and also submitted to all documents. So, I move for the approval.
Second.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Lenita Guelas and Honorable Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026-158 is approved.
Item number 12 is proposed resolution number 2026-156, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a contract of agreement with Celis Consumer Goods Trading for the procurement of office equipment for the YAKAP registration program used at the Rural Health Unit -1 in the total amount of 189,600 pesos only through small value procurement under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to trust fund, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 13, proposed resolution number 2026-155, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the Barangay Water and Sanitation Association or BAWASA of Barangay Hamorawon, Bulan, Sorsogon in the amount of 50,000 pesos intended to address low water pressure at Purok Tres or Cantilado in nearby households, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 14, proposed resolution number 2026-154, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Polytechnic University of the Philippines for the implementation of the student internship program, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer na lang po, Madam Chair. Sa EDUC.
Refer to the Committee on Education.
Item number 15, proposed resolution number 2026153, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan to enter into a contract of agreement with the Institute of Human Genetics for the procurement of expanded newborn screening kit used for rural health unit of LGU Bulan amounting 350,000 pesos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 16, proposed resolution number 2026152, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Celis Consumer Goods Trading for the yakap. Your Honor, pareho ada tabi ni sa 156. Sorry.
Duplication.
Opo, pareho sa 156.
Okay.
I will skip this, Your Honor.
Okay.
Item number 17 is proposed resolution number 2026151, a resolution interposing no objection to the operation of SJK Processing Fish Mill located at Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon for the production of fish meal and cutlets and for the operation of cold storage, ice plant, and other related facilities. Introduced by Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Refer to the committees, joint committee na lang po sa Agriculture and Utilities and Facilities. Facility?
We now go to committee report, Your Honor. Our first committee report comes from the Committee on Appropriation and Budget. Item number 8, proposed resolution number 2026143, 2026 SK annual budget of Sagrada for 424,351 pesos and 96 centavos. Zone 6, 636,360 pesos and 01 centavos. Antipolo, 1,134,336 pesos and 61 centavos. And Bicol, 321,030 pesos and 08 centavos. Then 9, proposed resolution number 2026142, 2026 budget of Zone 8 for 5,311,326 pesos and 97 centavos. Going back to 2,
So,
proposed resolution number 2026150, barangay realignment of Zone 6 for 25,000 pesos and Zone 1 for 30,000 pesos. Then 3, item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026149, barangay realignment budget of Barangay Aquino for 200,000. And lastly, 4, item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026148, SK annual budget of Tarumata for 439,386 pesos and 50 centavos. Padre Diaz for 383,883 pesos and 52 centavos. And Bunga for 319,644 pesos and 80 centavos. Recommendation. Foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends motion to approve and included for second reading of proposed resolution number 2026143, 2026142, 2026150, 2026149, and 2026148 with amendments on SK Antipolo.
Madam Chair.
Before we proceed to the, sa committee reports, an item number 17 na, salaan na refer ko kay, na overlook on utilities. Maybe we can just refer it to the committee of the whole kasi bali tuluan committees na pwede ma-involve, pati ang trade, commerce, ways and means, agriculture. And fisheries and item number 17. 17. Committee of the Whole na lang.
Lahong barangay?
Opo, ay ini po na ano, cold storage, ice plant, fish milk, and cutlets. Pati ang environment involved pa po dito. So, Committee of the Whole na lang. Item number 17 po.
Sa first reading?
Opo. Tapos fish meal ata po ini. Fish meal, M-I-L-L.
Opo.
Noted, Your Honor.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po, Madam Chair. Under committee report po, items number 2, 3, 4, 8, and 9, motion for adoption po. And
Second
approval.
motion.
Second, the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola and Honorable Valeriano, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, comes from the Committee on Appropriations and Budget again. Item number 6, proposed resolution number 2026-146, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Tata Boy Kainan for the procurement of meals and snacks served during the awarding of security papers to BRAP beneficiaries and awarding of certification of appreciation to the barangays that conducted mass wedding in the total amount of 24,680 pesos through a small value procurement under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to trust fund. And item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026-145, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Dream Builders and Tech Development Corporation for the furnishing of labor, material, and equipment rental for the repair or improvement of RHU1 building at Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon in the total amount of 399,220 pesos through a small value procurement under Republic Act 12009, chargeable to trust fund.
Honorable J.R.
Recommendation, Your Honor. Foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends motion to approve and include for second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-145 and 2026-146.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Under committee report again, items number 6 and 7, proposed resolution number 2026-146 and proposed resolution number 2026-145, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Hililio, the committee report and the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our third committee report, Your Honor, is from the Joint Committee on Land Use and Appropriation and Budget. This is item number 29. Proposed resolution number 2026-013. Certified urgent resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Barangay Council of Sigad, this municipality, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 500,000 pesos intended for the procurement of a parcel of land designated as survey number 6874 portion with an area of 10,000 square meters located at Barangay Sigad, Bulan, Sorsogon, for the use as barangay site and relocation site of informal settlers in the said barangay. Recommendation: foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends approval and inclusion to the second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-13.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Alerguelas.
Thank you. Thank you po. So this proposed resolution number 20 25579. Wait lang po. Nanay ni tabi Tito China duwa na reso number.
Ano ini bagan nasa bagang pareho?
Ha?
Pareho sir.
Pareho.
Pareho sa sulod.
Parehas ang
Na- Minsan kaya nasubmit ka nuli tapos nadirekta pa sa ako. Kaya nagdudurubli-dubli. Kaya minsan diri ko man napapansin kay Oo.
paras na po.
Opo, pareho baga sabi sa nangyari niyan. Oo.
Okay. So pareho po ini-adapt.
Pareho sabi sa meanings and
Okay.
sulod sin eh.
Okay. Thank you po, Mr. Secretary. So again, Madam Chair, this proposed resolution number 2025579 and 2026013. This joint committee on land use and appropriation, I move for the adoption of the committee report, and likewise its approval po.
Second
Second the
motion.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Alarguela, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordolan and Honorable Valeriano, the committee report of the Joint Committee on Appropriations and Budget and Land Use is approved and adopted.
Next, Your Honor, is from the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries. This pertains to the proposed Resolution 2026109. Wala di kabutan ko na na item number, Your Honor. Item number 18.
Agriculture.
Opo, from the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries. Proposed Resolution number 2026109, resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Remeo A. Gordola of the Municipality of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, to allocate the amount of 100,000 pesos for the Fisher Folk Livelihood Training on the processing of Lau-Lau to be conducted on April 23 to 24, 2026 at Barangay Danao, Bulan, Sorsogon, North Coastal areas. Recommendation: foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends for the deferment of proposed resolution number 2026109.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
the proposed livelihood program of agriculture and fisheries, the lacking requirements was already submitted by the Municipal Agriculture Office, the project proposal for this livelihood program for the sustainability plan. So prepared and submitted by Marites Hilua, AAW Fisheries, noted by Dr. John Michael Gulyoso, OIC Municipal Agriculture, signed by and approved by Romeo Gordola for the livelihood program of in Barangay Danao, Nasuhi, Inararan, Namo, for the adaptation of the committee report, Madam Chair.
I second the motion, Madam Chair.
Any
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you.
Adoption man.
Na-defer po kaya sa niyan for another committee hearing po ini. So, ipapa-adapt lang po ni Councilor Recto ang committee report lang po. Ano? Apo, thank you po.
Ang committee report.
Baya kay dagdag pa na siya sa submission eh.
But the, Madam Chair, the approval by the budget is from Lablao, and we have a project proposal from Dimao. So,
sorry, tabi, Honorable
Opo.
Valeriano.
Submit.
Ang motion mo lang po is motion to approve and adopt the committee report.
committee report. Opo.
Which is deferment.
Apo,
Deferment.
deferment.
And recommendation. Motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Alarguelas. The committee report on the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries is approved and adopted.
Next committee report, Your Honor, is from the Committee on Cooperatives and Livelihood. Item number 10. Proposed resolution number 2026136. Resolution granting new accreditation to the COVID-19 group with office address at Grapilo Street, Zone 5, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Next is item number 5. Proposed resolution number 2026-147, resolution granting new accreditation to Javier Sociedad Agriculture Cooperative or GSAC with office address at Purok 3 Heliego Street, Barangay San Francisco, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. And item number and proposed resolution number 2025-113. Wala.
Tama.
Under unfinished business po kuno tabi ini.
Nasa
Under unfinished business, apo. So proposed resolution number 2025-113, resolution granting new accreditation to the Bulan Matnog Coastal Transport Cooperative with office address at Barangay Zone 2, Ilawod, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Recommendation, Your Honor, foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends the approval and inclusion in the second reading of proposed resolution number 2026-136, 2026-147, and 2025-113.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
The committee report under the item number 10 and also the item number 5. The proposed resolution number 2026-136, resolution granting new accreditation to the COVID-19 group with office address at Barangay Zone 5. The item number 5, the proposed resolution number 2026-147, resolution granting new accreditation to the Javier Sociedad Agriculture Cooperatives with office address at San Francisco, Bulan, Sorsogon. And also, Madam Chair, the item number 1 under the unfinished business, proposed resolution number 2025-113, resolution granting new accreditation to the Bulan Matnog Coastal Transport Cooperative with office address at Barangay Sunto, Ilawod, Bulan, Sorsogon. Madam Chair, these three items I move for the approval.
Second
Second
motion.
demotion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Linita Guelas, the committee report and the Committee on Cooperatives is approved and adopted.
Next committee report, Your Honor, is from the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Number 19. Proposed resolution number 2026-082 for review. Utabi Barangay Ordinance number 001 series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Requiring All Beach Resorts Operating Within the Jurisdiction of Barangay Utabi for safety and protection of visitors. Then, item number 22, proposed resolution number 2026-066 for review, Utabi Barangay Ordinance number 005 series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Adopting the Municipal Ordinance 1996-40, an ordinance prohibiting tumult, drunkenness, on intoxication behavior in a drunken, boisterous, rude, or incident manner in any public place and prohibiting penalties thereat. Next is item number 21. Proposed resolution number 2026-068 for review, San Isidro Barangay Ordinance number 01 series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance requiring all residential houses and piggery operators within the Barangay San Isidro, Bulan, Sorsogon to construct and maintain a hygienic septic tank, prohibiting direct discharge of waste into waterways and prescribing penalties for violation thereof. Then, item number 13. Proposed resolution number 2026-118 for review, Tarumata Barangay Ordinance number 14 series of 2026, large cattle and small animals. Next is item number 14. Proposed resolution number 2026-117 for review, Tarumata Barangay Ordinance number 13 series of 2026 entitled Ordinansa sa pagpapatupad ng paglabag ng Barangay Identification Card ng Barangay Tarumata, Bulan, Sorsogon. Then, item number 12. Proposed resolution number 2026-126 for review. Barangay Zone 5 Ordinance number 5, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Open Burning of Garbage and Other Waste Materials within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Zone 5, Bulan, Sorsogon, in the interest of public health, safety, and environmental protection, and providing penalties therefore. Next is item number 15. Proposed resolution number 2026-120 for review. SJB San Juan Bago Barangay Ordinance number 002, Series of 2026, entitled Pagkilala Program for Excellence. Another is item number 16. Proposed resolution number 2026-119 for review. San Juan Bago Barangay Ordinance number 001, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Institutionalizing an Annual Barangay Family Day in Barangay San Juan Bago and setting a fixed date for its celebration, providing funds therefore and for other purposes. And last is item number 17. Proposed resolution number 2026-121 for review. Lahong Barangay Ordinance number 002, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Regulating the Installation and Removal of Wi-Fi and Internet Cables within the Territorial Jurisdiction of Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon. Recommendation: foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends the following: approval of proposed resolution number 2026-126, Zone 5, proposed resolution number 2026-120 from San Juan Bago. Number 2, approval with amendments of proposed resolution number 2026-068 from San Isidro, proposed resolution number 2026-068 from San Juan Bago, sa laada tabi number sini, and proposed resolution number 2026-121 from Lahong. And number 3 recommendation, reschedule due to the absence of the resource person, proposed resolution number 2026-082 and proposed resolution number 026-066 from Utabi, and proposed resolution number 2026-118 and proposed resolution number 2026-117 Tarumata.
Honorable Helilio.
Okay, Madam Chair. The 9 items of under the committee report, number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22. Madam Chair, the 9 items of under the committee level, Barangay Affairs is now motion for adoption and approval, Madam Chair.
Second.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Helilio, seconded by Honorable Unita Guelas and Honorable Recto Valeriano, the committee report on the Committee on Barangay Affairs is approved and adopted.
We now go to calendar of business, Your Honor.
Wait lang po. Madam Chair,
Honorable
before we go on
Aler
with the
Guelas.
calendar of business, may lang po ako ikukuan. Still under committee report. Ini po na item number 31, proposed resolution number 2025-566. And manungod po sa deed of exchange between the LGU and the Water District. Since na-confirm naman po, Madam Chair, during our last Monday's session ni General Manager Engineer Hilbas, na nagkamay na po si mutual understanding an LGU and the Water District as with regards po sa occupancy nila po dun sa sa current office nila, current building nila. So since pending po ini since last year, nagkamay na po sila sa sa agreement na ma-stay po sila dito. So di rin naman po inikay po ni push na resolution. So I move that this resolution, Madam Chair, 2025566 to be disapproved, citing the statement of Engineer Hilbas during last Monday session po.
Any second? Any second to the motion?
Madam Chair.
Honorable De Castro.
Actually, naka-history ako man sa Engineer Hilbas. Naghatag naman sa resin proposal sa executive kay parang sara na mismo mahimo sa budget na i-renovate na ra ang existing Bulan Water District na naka-man siya sa design sa residensya o presidensya ba ito? Tapos, aram ko parang maskan executive nagbutang na sin funding dito sa propose sana na water districts, yung parang himo na multi-purpose. Parang nag-budget sir 2 million ata. So, second ko ang motion ni Councilor Alan.
Okay. In motion, any objection? Hearing none. In motion of Honorable Alerguela, seconded by Honorable Dondon De Castro, the proposed resolution number 2025566 is disapproved, citing the explanation and the statement of Engineer Ray Dennis Helbas during the last week's session.
Madam Chair, may sayo pa po.
Honorable Alerguelas.
Since tambak medyo daghanan naman po ang nakapending po dito sa report, committee report. Ini po na item number 45. Opo. Proposed resolution number 2025117 ang manungod po ini sa lot acquisition po sa right of way dun sa Barangay Libertad because up until now wala pa po sin appraisal report na in-forward sa committee and barangay. Siguro ko di pa man sir nakakuha. Pending to that, Madam Chair, I move that this resolution be laid on the table po.
Item number 45?
Item number 45.
Referred siya sa appropriations.
Yes po, joint.
Joint po, Madam
Joint.
Chair. Opo, land use and appropriations.
Okay.
So I second the motion of Councilor Aler. Lay on the table.
Laid on the in motion. Any objection? Motion. Hearing none. In motion of Honorable Alerguela, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola. The proposed resolution number 2025117 is laid on the table. Ano din po, kay may mga, ito po na mga dati ko po na mga proposed na mga ordinances. May DILG opinion naman po na hinatag-an DILG regarding sa pag-author sa municipal vice mayor or pag-introduce ang mga vice mayor ng mga legislative mga ordinances and resolutions na dinidiscourage na maghimo po ang mga vice mayors and mga resolutions or ordinances. So, ito po na mga pending ko po na mga resolutions. Kaya di po ako nag-a-attend. Kung willing po ang mga committee chair na kung gusto po niyo ito na ordinances and resolutions, base pwede na lang po niyo kung pwede, kamo na lang po ang mag-sponsor and kamo na lang din po ang mag-author kung willing po ang mga committee chair. If diri man po, papahali ko na po siya sa agenda ta. Durodagan man niya doon sa stray dogs, sa sagip saka, sa purok system, tapos may mga social services din po na in-introduce ko. Pero kung willing po ang mga committees, base, pwede na lang, kamo na lang po ang mag-sponsor na mag-introduce.
Pero
Mama
Madam
na
Chair,
po.
may
Thank you.
mga na-approve na po baga kita na.
Opo. Ito na okay man yan to. Ang mga pending pa na di pa na-approve. Apo.
So we now go to calendar of business, Your Honor. So item number 1 is already reported under committee report by Councilor Geoffrey Asor. Tapos na yun. So we now go to business for the day. That's letter B. Item number 1, hello. Item number 1 is proposed resolution number 2026-172, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the provincial government of Sorsogon, represented by Governor Edwin Buboy Amor, for the implementation of the 7K Kabuhayan program and its sub-projects in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
under business for the day, the proposed resolution, item number 1 under business for the day, the proposed resolution number 226172. This is an urgent resolution. And the business for the day, items number 2, proposed resolution number 2, 2026-71, certified urgent by Governor Edwin Buboy Amor. The business for the day under proposed, item number 10 under proposed resolution number 226163. All of them are certified urgent by our Mayor Gordola and represented by Governor Edwin Buboy Amor. So, Madam Chair, I move for approval.
Yadi po na item number 2, na-approve na po natin to nung special session. Opo. Ang community pantry na approved na po ini during the special session. Ang sa 7K Kabuhayan, di na-approve naman, na-approve na may ano na po kita, omnibus approval sa intiro na 7K projects. Honorable
With regards tabi sa omnibus approval po sa 7K,
Habo na
kasi
naman.
last time po sa hindi po na ano po na present na year po nato, inayuan po gihapon kita sa ano po ang sa gamit mo sagot ko program. Mao po pag ito na pinarush po pag last time.
Ni ano, ama
Opo, Madam Chair. Inapot ko na din po yun sa omnibus.
Oo, omnibus approval and authorization sa
Pero
municipal mayor. And
Opo.
ag-ayo man gihapon si ano.
Nag-ayo mang gihapon po.
Okay, anyway.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
an items number 1 and 3, magkaparehas lang siya.
Matabi.
Parehas lang ha.
Same story.
So,
Diri nahali ni Mark.
so di man disregarded ng saro.
Disregarded na tabi ang 3. Kaya pareho man lang siya san 1.
Tapos, Madam Chair, in number 2, last bagay na-approve na ito.
Apo.
Matabi.
Wala
Noted
lang
na
kata
po.
sa
Diri
susunod.
nahali. Diri na mo nahali.
Dili lang po nahali.
Diri lang po nahali.
So, okay na po, ini kay approve na po. Ang number 2.
An number 1, Madam Chair, an ipo-provide lang nato na read is 1,351.
Ano?
Doon sa number 1, yun na ano sa Kabuhayan, in-itemize kaya yun eh. Tire assistance, tapos an ayuda sa mga paraburog ata ini. Manicurista and barbero, tapos ayuda naman sa tindero-tindera, tapos ayuda naman sa LGBTQ. So, sa number 1, sa tricycle, good for 1,351 beneficiaries.
Ang 1,351, kay may deadline po bagaan province na hanggang January 31 lang. So, ini na 1,351. Mao po ini an nag-register hanggang January 31.
Madam Chair, i-clarify na lang po ha. Kaya may mga naka-istorya ako na mga para tricycle. Ang pagkaintindi po nila, ang magka-qualify lang, ang mga nag-register lang from January. Diri hanggang January 31.
Aram po nila yun kay pirmi man po an MTC Carol nag-remind sa intiro na mga Presidente Santoda na January 31 talaga ang deadline. Batog sa
Diri kay hali sa January 31 na hanggang yan.
Deadline.
ang pinaka-last na i-accommodate is yung January 31 of the year.
The year.
Mm-mm.
Deciding year.
Tapos, Madam Chair, ano ko lang for the information of the body, ang sa tricycle, 50-50 ang sharing. Pero ini po na sa sa mga ayuda, 60-40 man gihapon. So ano man ini, 'di ba may binadgetan ta naman ini sa 7 pireto na binadget ta.
Basta nasa 20
Sa Kabuhayan.
million.
Ano ko lang is alam ko may reason sa to kanakay di rin ako omnibus eh. May reason an province. Nakay di rin ako an omnibus. Parang kaya talagang naghihimo gihapon sin ang province.
Province mismo. Sa accounting office po nila.
Ah, okay.
Kay
So-
parang pagkaaram ko sini. Diri accounting. Last part on accounting eh. Parang anong nangyari sini sa naghapot kita sa executive na parang an province nagpadara sa executive na maghimo resolution na mag-enter into a MOA si Mayor Mausan sa province. Kay ini diri pa man ini disbursement. Parang start pa lang sa MOA. Mapasok ang accounting office pag disbursement na. So, ang pagkaaram ko sa to, nauna mag-ayo ang province na di pa nag-aagi sa accounting. So, ano ini request ini mismo sa province sa executive eh.
No.
Ang pagkaaram ko.
Pero Madam Chair, sa pagkaaram ko din po sa mga previous hearings na to, na dili po sa accounting office, naghahanap man sila di rin na ina-accept ng omnibus resolution.
Okay,
Individual.
ano man nirayad to na an amount
Oh.
gusto na rin nakastate. Sige,
Disi-
para ko di na mas madali ko ta.
Mao po, Madam Chair. Sabi ko man po ini na na concern ta po na sabi ko nga po dito sa nag-meeting kami sa gamit mo sagot ko program sa Kadunungan. May omnibus po kita na resolution na para na po sa intiro na 7K programs. Dire po na in honor yato, Madam Chair. Kaya inaayo po gihapon baga ni reto na unupdated
itemized.
na MOA
Mm.
na nag-aayo po gihapon sira. Ito last time po baga na pinarush po baga
Opo.
nato
Na.
para makahabol kita sa deadline sa gamit mo sagot.
Province na nag-aayo eh. Diri siguro yung attachment sa province sa na na may onsin authority and
Specific.
Okay.
Madam Chair,
Motion for item number 1. Honorable How.
before the approval, hindi po nasa kabuhayan na sa mga LGBTQ barbero and manipirista tendero. So habang yadi naman siguro sa executive pa kay diri pa po nakahatag kaya san an LGU san 2,000 na para sa mga tendero.
Counterpart.
So may na naman kita san panibago na MOA ma-release naman. So ipa-remind na lang siguro kung saan talaga kasi 4 months na bago nakuhaan sa 3,000 sa province. So sa LGU na lang po na 2,000 hindi pa nakuha mo. Thank you po, Madam.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Honorable Valeriano.
Since I have my pending motion to approve of business for the
Second.
day 1, 2, 3.
One lang.
One lang tayo.
One lang po.
Okay, item number 1 lang.
Second
Kay
the motion,
2,
Madam
3
Chair.
po approved.
Sa number
Okay.
1.
Motion, any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Valeriano, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola. Proposed resolution number 2026172 is approved.
Item number 4, Your Honor, is already approved during the special session on April 7.
Madam Chair, ano lang po, point clarification lang. Okay lang, waman ako objection. So, pag forward po nato sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, ito po na partially approved amount, mao na lang po ito. So, i-adjust na lang po yung figure today.
Inano ko na tabi, sinayo ko na ang format na impropose sa budget na dati man na impropose. May yun na tabi ako sinimpa.
Pinirmahan na.
Paano kan abi.
Ayakan escape.
So, bali po, ang makaabot po sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, bali 8.1 million po.
Opo. Mao ang final na na amount.
Okay. Thank you.
Binawasan si 800,000. So with Your Honor, can we will now proceed with business on the third and final reading. So for business on the third and final reading, we have item number 1, proposed ordinance number 16-2026, an ordinance providing incentives to the Successful Sustainable Livelihood Program or SLP Association in the Municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon and appropriating funds therefore. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. For the item number 1 under business on third and final reading, proposed ordinance number 16-2026. Motion for approval po for the third and final reading.
Second the motion. Madam Chair. Any objection? Hearing none, motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, Honorable Valeriano, Honorable Danny A. Corsiga, proposed ordinance number 16-2026, an ordinance providing incentives to the Successful Sustainable Livelihood Program Association in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, and appropriating funds therefore, is approved on third and final reading.
Author, Your Honor, is Councilor J.R. Gordola. Co-author, Councilor Corsiga, Councilor Valeriano, and Councilor Jerry Ann Gordola. We now go to item number 2. Proposed ordinance number 14-2026, an ordinance establishing and institutionalizing the information or help desk in the municipal government, defining its functions, providing for staffing and operations, and for other purposes, introduced by Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr.
Madam Chair, I move for
Honorable-
the approval of proposed ordinance number 14-2026.
Second,
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable De Castro, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Corsiga, proposed ordinance number 14-2026, an ordinance establishing and institutionalizing the information or help desk in the municipal government, defining its function, providing for staffing and operations, and for other purposes, is approved on third and final reading.
Author, Your Honor, is Honorable Guillermo de Castro Jr., co-author, Honorable Attorney Danny Corsiga, and Honorable Recto G. Valeriano. Item number 3 is proposed appropriation ordinance number 02-2026, realignment number 001-2026, use of savings and augmentation from MOOE, training expenses, to MOOE, traveling expenses local, of the Office of the Mayor, Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Unit, amounting to 40,000 pesos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. For the item number 3, proposed appropriation ordinance number 02-2026, motion for approval po for the third and final reading.
second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none. In motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, proposed appropriation ordinance 02-2026, realignment number 001-2026 is approved on third and final reading.
We now go to new business for next session.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Valeriano.
may request to the Vice Mayor Chisca May Robles for the amending of the number of reply of the pwede ba i-schedule ta na ito na number of gamit sa paraisda na hikot?
Dili po may ano na po?
Di, kung pwede na po. Kasi nag-privilege sa mga ako, Madam Chair.
Okay. May proposed ka na po na
Opo.
legislative
Oo.
measure. Nag-submit na po sa Secretariat. Na-refer yan to?
Kung pwede na po nato ma-calendar for the next session,
Calendar for next session.
Oo.
Business
business for the day. Oo. Kasi nag-advise man sa ako si SB Secretary na magpaaram sa college. Pwede. But of course,
amendment po, Sansay.
oo, na okay naman siya, may draft na kita. Kung pwede na po, di
Para makalan-
ano na lang po nato ha.
Apo. San Fisheries Code. And sa... Actually, may amendment sa dito na mo si Councilor Olaf Mutladera. I-double check mo na lang tabi kung si Hal, kung ano na number yan to sa, kung ano na sukat. Kaya may hiningi mo siya.
And sa amending proposal nato is either it is 9 or 10
Apo, ang nakabutang adat dito, 9.5, 10.
po. Kasi may konsultasyon pa man kita sa kanila eh. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Si Ol.
Bago ada ni.
Babaguhan niya.
9 or 10 ada si Kagawad Recto. We now go to announcement, Your Honor. So for item number 1, we have Memorandum Order number 11, Series of 2026, pertaining to the submission of proposed programs, projects, and activities in the preparation of the LGU's annual investment program for fiscal year 2027. Item number 2 is letter of Honorable Reynald Gesta dated April 10, 2026 regarding the compliance to the committee report recommendations on proposed resolution number 2025-448 with reference to SB Committee Report number 3-16-2027-7 series of 2026.
Madam Chair, yung tabi na sa ano? Madam Chair, yun nasa announcement number 1, sa agang deadline. Ano ko lang.
Ini na PPA.
Oo. Sa communication na rin nakabutang, may forma na naka-attach. Although, diri part ang sangguniang bayan ha, sa paghatag sin AIP ha.
Send my own?
Well, ano lang, kantito na naka-address, maano na prepare. Mao ha.
Through sa ako, Ada.
Diri po, Office of the Vice Mayor sa EME, tapos Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan.
Marapat din si Mark.
Mga ano, sa agalit ang deadline.
naman na, Sir Chin. Naghimo na kami.
Ano yun?
Opo, bago nagali si Mark sa January, nakahimo na po.
For
If
2027.
ever lang may mga additional na lang na wala dito kay daghanon na siya.
Copy-paste.
Opo, sa
Nagkaroon
parang
ng plan.
bagan halos intiro na pangangaipo sa opisina yan doon. Pag may mga kakaiba na lang na pero if in case may mga gusto mo ka mo ipasabay na lang po kan Dame ihatag or kan Charlie.
Pero isusubmit tayo sa agawan.
Opo, sabi.
Ako yung naghana ng request na doon, mga filing cabinet, lamesa, encodan.
Tito Chin, Sir Chin, kanina po
Aircon.
naka-address sa number 2.
Ini na sa ano? Na isusubmit?
Hindi yan, sa number 2. Ito na sa...
Ang kanano,
sa zone 5 po.
Naka-address kan Honorable Cheska Maybe Robles through Honorable Renz Allergy Guelas.
Noted.
Di ko nabasahon?
Ayun.
Okay. Sige tabi. So that's the second item for under announcement, Your Honor. We will now go to privilege hour, Your Honor. Adjournment, Your Honor.
Second, the motion.
Motion of Honorable J. R. Gordalo, seconded by Honorable Valeriano. Session adjourned.